How to set up Ticket Toolbot in your Discord server. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar. Now search for Ticket Toolbot. Now open up the first website. Now click on Invite Ticket Tool. Now log into your Discord. Now tap on Select a server and select your server and tap on Continue. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.